Hello, and welcome to today's video. We're diving into an incredible microscopic journey to explore one of the smallest but most essential components of human life: sperm cells. These tiny swimmers play a crucial role in reproduction, and seeing them under a microscope reveals just how complex and fascinating they are. When viewed under a microscope, sperm are in constant motion. Their tails are constantly whipping back and forth, enabling them to move through fluids like semen. Watching them swim can be quite mesmerizing. Each sperm seems to have a mind of its own, yet they all share the same goal: reaching the egg. Interestingly, not all sperm move at the same pace. Some are faster swimmers than others, and some may not move much at all. These differences are perfectly normal and are influenced by various factors such as the overall health of the individual and environmental conditions. Under a high-powered microscope, the environment around the sperm looks like an entire universe. The sperm are constantly interacting with their surroundings, navigating through various fluids and sometimes even battling obstacles on their way to the egg. When scientists view sperm under a microscope, they often use special staining techniques to highlight the different parts of the sperm. This can make it easier to see the head, midpiece, and tail clearly. It's fascinating to see just how tiny these cells are, especially when you remember their vital role in human reproduction. Let's talk about what sperm cells are. Under a microscope, you'll notice that each sperm cell has three main parts: the head, midpiece, and tail. The head is perhaps the most important part because it contains the nucleus, where the DNA is stored. The midpiece is packed with mitochondria, which are the energy factories of the cell. The tail, or flagellum, is what propels the sperm forward. Another interesting thing to observe under the microscope is the variation in sperm quality. Healthy sperm are typically characterized by their active movement and normal shape. Abnormalities in shape or movement can sometimes signal fertility issues. Microscopic analysis of sperm is often one of the key steps in fertility assessments for couples trying to conceive. So, there you have it, a brief look into the amazing world of sperm cells under the microscope. These tiny cells may be small, but their role in the creation of life is huge. From their unique structure to their active movement, sperm cells are a perfect example of nature's incredible design. If you enjoyed learning about this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.